Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Daxko. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Daxko is a software company that provides management solutions for health and wellness organizations, such as gyms, fitness centers, and community centers. Their products help these organizations with tasks like member management, billing, class scheduling, and marketing. Daxco aims to streamline operations and improve member engagement, making it easier for these organizations to manage their day-to-day activities and grow their business. Daxco solutions are used by a variety of organizations, including health clubs, fitness studios, wellness centers, YMCAs, and JCCs. The company was founded in 1998 and has a global presence in 55 countries. For members, ensure that the Warren County YMCA has your correct email address on file. If you haven't accessed your account before or forgot your password, the YMCA can send you a password reset link. First, visit the Warren County YMCA website. Click on Join the Y even if you are already a member. Click Login on the next page to access the Daxco system. Enter your email and password. If needed, reset your password using the link provided by the YMCA. Once you are logged in, you can register for various classes and programs directly from your account. For non-members, go to the Warren County YMCA website and click Join the Y. Select No if you do not need financial assistance. On the next page, select Program Participant unless you want to become a member. Enter your email, password, and other required details. The primary person should create the account. After creating your account, you can log it anytime to register for program. Payment details will be required only when registering for a paid program. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Daxco. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye-bye, and I will see you in the next one.